Pressing the magazine release button releases the magazine. Rounds can be loaded under high pressure by compressing the magazine spring. The magazine is then inserted into the magwell. Pulling the charging handle initiates the first round. Along with the charging handle, the bolt carrier also moves backward. As it moves back, the action spring gets compressed. When the carrier returns forward, the bolt pushes the first cartridge into the chamber. Inside the bolt carrier, there is the bolt. When the bolt moves forward, it locks into the locking recess. The bolt contains several locking lugs that fit into the recess. The locking rotation happens due to a part called the cam pin, which rides along a track. In case the bolt fails to lock into the locking recess, a part called the forward assist can be used. By pressing the forward assist, the bolt can be pushed forward until it locks into place. Turning the selector from safe mode to fire mode makes the AR15 ready to fire. The gap in the selector allows the trigger to move. If it is in the safe position, the trigger cannot be moved. When the trigger is pressed, the hammer moves forward and hits the firing pin, which then strikes the cartridge. The cartridge contains a primer. When the firing pin strikes it, it creates a spark that ignites the propellant inside. The expanding gases propel the bullet through the barrel. Some of this gas is expelled through a small gas tube. When it reaches the bolt carrier, it causes the bolt carrier to move backward. When the bolt moves back, a part called the ejector ejects the used cartridge. Along with this action, the bolt carrier pulls the hammer to the cocked position. When the buffer reaches the end, the compressed action spring pushes the bolt carrier forward. As it returns, the bolt strips a new cartridge into the chamber, and the extractor clips onto the cartridge. Releasing the trigger makes the hammer ready for another shot. Automatic firing mode is possible because the inclusion of autosear and hook at the back of hammer. The selector has a recess that allows the autosear to move when it is in auto mode. It also has a recess that allows the hammer to move. When the trigger is pressed, the autosear takes control of the hammer. As the bolt comes back, it pushes the auto-sear, which causes the hammer to be released. When the last round is fired, a part called the magazine follower is pushed upward, causing the bolt catch to engage and block the bolt from moving forward. Inserting a new magazine and pressing the bolt catch will chamber a new round. With the help of a cartridge, the front sight can be adjusted up or down for zeroing. On the AR-15, alternative optics can also be used, such as holographic sights. This is a type of optic used on rifles that projects a reticle onto a glass window, helping the shooter aim quickly and accurately. Another optic is a longer range scope. Is designed for flexibility from close to long distances.